The Nobel Committee has recently decided to award the Nobel Prizes in chemistry and physics to scientists who worked with AI. The prizes were awarded to John J. Hopfield from Princeton University, Geoffrey E. Hinton from the University of Toronto, Canada, for foundational discoveries and inventions that enable machine learning with artificial neural networks, and David Baker from the University of Washington and the Howard Hughes Medical Institute for computational protein design, and Demis Hassabis and John M. Jumper from Google DeepMind, London, UK, for protein structure prediction. There was, of course, no computer science or artificial intelligence in the 1895 will from Alfred Nobel. This has caused some controversies, as new research discoveries are sometimes difficult to classify into the traditional fields of the Nobel: physiology and medicine, physics, chemistry, and economics. Alfred Nobel wanted to award the prizes to those who, during the preceding year, have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. In his 1895 will, he stated the following: "All of my remaining realizable assets are to be dispersed as follows. The capital, converted to safe securities by my executors, is to constitute a fund, the interest on which is to be distributed annually as prizes to those who, during the preceding year, have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. The interest is to be divided into 5 equal parts and distributed as follows: 1 part to the person who made the most important discovery or invention in the field of physics, 1 part to the person who made the most important chemical discovery or improvement, 1 part to the person who made the most important discovery within the domain of physiology or medicine, 1 part to the person who, in the field of literature, produced the most outstanding work in an idealistic direction, and 1 part to the person who has done the most or best to advance fellowship among nations, the abolition or reduction of standing armies, and the establishment and promotion of peace congresses. The prizes for physics and chemistry are to be awarded by the Swedish Academy of Sciences, that for physiological or medical achievements by the Karolinska Institute in Stockholm, that for literature by the Academy in Stockholm, and that for champions of peace by a committee of 5 persons to be selected by the Norwegian Storting. It is my express wish that when awarding the prizes, no consideration be given to nationality, but that the prize be awarded to the worthiest person, whether or not they are Scandinavian. We believe it is time to establish a dedicated prize in engineering sciences. Engineering, like other fields recognized by the Nobel Prizes, has a profound impact on society, driving innovations in areas such as mechanical engineering, electrical and computer engineering, chemical engineering, bioengineering, and material science. Engineering is highly interdisciplinary and crucial for solving today's most pressing challenges in healthcare, energy, infrastructure, and sustainability. This prize would provide a platform to honor engineering innovations without encroaching on the traditional Nobel categories. Engineering contributions to humanity are often applied solutions that build upon scientific discoveries, translating theory into real-world technologies that shape the modern world. While Alfred Nobel did not mention engineering in his will, it is possible to establish a new prize under the Nobel Foundation's auspices, as demonstrated by the creation of the Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel in 1969. This precedent supports the idea of creating a Nobel Prize in engineering sciences in a similar fashion. The Royal Swedish Academy of Engineering Sciences, IVA, Sweden's National Academy of Engineering, would be an ideal body to oversee the award of such a prize, given its long-standing expertise in the field. As the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences already administers the Physics, Chemistry, and Economics Nobel Prizes, IVA could take responsibility for the Nobel Prize in Engineering Sciences. We have included a draft of potential statutes for the prize in Engineering Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel. These statutes, modeled on those of the Economics Prize, provide a framework for establishing the prize, from nomination procedures to the selection process. This would ensure the prize is administered with the same rigor and prestige as the traditional Nobel Prizes. Statutes for the Prize in Engineering Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel. Introduction. The Prize in Engineering Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel is established to recognize exceptional advancements in engineering that have conferred significant benefit to humanity. Award procedure nominations and evaluations shall follow the standard Nobel Prize procedures, with a prize committee appointed by the Royal Swedish Academy of Engineering Sciences, IVA, to oversee the selection process. Financial management. The Nobel Foundation shall manage the financial endowment for this prize, covering all associated expenses. Nomination and voting procedures. The prize committee shall invite eligible nominators to submit proposals, with the final decision made by the Royal Swedish Academy of Engineering Sciences. Eligibility and composition of the prize committee. The prize committee shall consist of 5 members elected by IVA, with nominations accepted from members of the Academy and other leading global experts in engineering. These statutes are a starting point for the formal establishment of the prize, and I am confident that they can be refined in collaboration with the Nobel Foundation. And had the prize existed before, it could have been awarded to great engineers such as Claude Shannon, MIT. Shannon is widely considered the father of modern digital communication and information theory, providing the mathematical foundation for data compression, encryption, and error correction in communication systems. Yuancheng Feng, UCSD. Yuancheng Feng is widely regarded as the father of biomechanics, applying mechanical engineering principles to biological systems. His work laid the foundation for modern biomedical engineering and significantly impacted the design of medical devices and systems. Grace Hopper, U.S. Navy. Grace Hopper made pioneering contributions to the fields of computer science, software engineering, and programming languages. Her groundbreaking work has had a lasting impact on the development of modern computing and the way we interact with machines today. In conclusion, we respectfully urge the Nobel Foundation to consider the creation of this prize in recognition of the vital contributions that engineering has made and will continue to make to improving the lives of people around the world. Engineering is central to many of the advancements that are shaping the future, from climate solutions to healthcare innovations, and a Nobel Prize in Engineering Sciences would ensure that these contributions receive the recognition they deserve. We look forward to the possibility of seeing a Nobel Prize in Engineering Sciences established in the near future.